Hello guys and welcome to Money Royale YouTube channel. Before we start, go to subscribe to my channel to get more video on how much your favorite YouTube earn, and click on the bell icon to get all notification and never missing any new video. Now let's get started. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make by placing ad on their video, and placing more ads equal more money they can make on their videos. The second thing is CPM. It means the cost per 1,000 view. It is the amount of advertising pay to have his ad in your video, and they spend on average $4 per 1,000 views, and it's calculated based on how many people watch on video and from where they are watching. Many factors affect the CPM. It is includes demographic, content, gender, time of the watch. YouTube also will take 45% of your ad revenue from the advertising. Now let's go to Jaclyn Hill, channel analyst. Total subscribers 6 million, total videos 373, total views 581 million. Let's go to monthly subscribe 10k, monthly views 3 million, monthly income 3 million multiplied by 0.004 equal 12k, early income 12k multiplied by 12 equal 144k. Guys, for watching, don't forget to subscribe and like or comment, and let me know what the next YouTuber you want me to do next.